So I've used many different speedlights over my 18 years of shooting. I always say 18 years, it's a long time. And I personally am not a big fan of the brand flash, right? The Nikon flashes, the Canon flashes, a lot of them don't even have high speed sync, which means using your flash at, 1,000th of a second shutter, 2,000, 3,000. Regular Nikon flashes like this could only use up to 200th of a shutter. So if you go beyond that, then you can't use it. So high speed sync is something you can do during the day, which is another tutorial that I'm going to go over later because we kind of have to talk more into details. But anyways, I recommend the Flashpoint Godox. There are two different names. One is sold by Adorama, one is by Amazon. I'm going to put the Amazon link below, but they're exactly the same flash, just with a different sticker on it. The Godox flash are my absolute favorite flash. They have hacked into Nikon, Canon, Sony. They have it for all the cameras. They figure them out and they give you TTL, fully automatic mode. And they are super cheap compared to the Nikon brands, compared to the Canon brands. They go all the way up to like $500, I think, around there. I haven't checked the price in a while. But you could get this guy for, I think, about a little over $200. They also have a built-in lithium battery. These batteries, they're so good. Faster charge, they last a long time compared to the AA batteries that I always seem to just kind of break. With AA batteries, if one of your battery is bad, then it doesn't work. Then they're all bad. So like all four has to be perfect all the time. And I don't know, I just don't feel, I feel like they just kind of go bad very easily. Thus, we have a bunch of AA rechargeable batteries, and they're cheap too, right? But they're very stable and they're so strong that your refresh rate, your flash, the speed of your flash, in case you want to just snap away, is a lot faster. And you could just buy more batteries too. They charge up using a USB-C, and I really like that. The best part about Flashpoint Godox light system is that they have every kind of light. They have a very cheap manual one. This one is the manual one, right? It's just got a couple of buttons in the back. It doesn't have TTL, but it will trigger off if you want to do multiple flashes. The reason why I love this particular flash is because look at that, it just looks cool. It's a circular top. The light is evenly distributed, It's very nicely built. The quality is very solid. But best of all, these flashes have built-in transmitters. So if it didn't have a transmitter, I would use this transmitter. They're all in the same family. This transmitter, they're all in the same family. So I would have this on top of my camera. Then I could have this at an angle, and I would strobe flash at an angle, right, to get some creative photography. This has built-in transmitters. So if you get multiple of these, or even get a manual flash like this, a cheaper one, you could use it to control the power of this flash. So let's say you have this flash at an angle somewhere, right? You could use this to control the power output of that flash. And then when you take the photo, it'll trigger this flash to go off. So that's really cool. And on top of that, not just this flash, it will also trigger they're all in their same family. They're 200, Evolve 200. That's a 200 watt, which to me, I use this connected to a huge softbox, and it's strong enough to get awesome, strong light during the day, for big family photos. It triggers that off. This little trigger triggers all of them, right? So that's really cool. And I have a 600 watt strobe light, mono light. I'll do the same thing and control that as well. So it's in this one just awesome family of lights, and they just all work together. They're one of the lowest price, and the quality is so good. And there's so many YouTubers out there and professional photographers out there that use the same system because it's just the best deal. And yeah, I highly recommend them. I'll put the Amazon link below if you want to check it out. And if you do purchase a light from my link, I definitely appreciate it. I get a small little percentage from that affiliate link. So it's definitely cool when you do that for me. If you have any questions about speedlights or light photography, just leave a comment below. I will reply 100%. If you watch this all the way to the end, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.